So here we have a 1972 Impala, big body Chevy. It's a 4-door. We have it on a trailer. We put some truck rallies on it just to move it over here. Give you a look on this car. It's not vinyl top, it's just painted a different color. But it looks like it's a vinyl top. There's the back of it. You can see it sat for a long time, that a stump was growing through the bumper. Look at this car. A little bit better view. It's the back of the car. Back of the car. Emblems, missing the L. I think it's missing the back side trim and the driver's side door trim. I can't open the door because it's on the trailer. Where's a look at the inside? The headliner. Let's see if it has a radio. Yeah, the radio's still in there. It does have a little dent on the front here, so most of it seems to be intact. There's the front. Last on the road in 1997. Trying to see if it has any side emblems. So let's go ahead and get the engine. It was an AC car. It's a compressor, air hoses. It looks to be all original still. Small block Chevy. Radiator shroud. So this car is pretty much complete. Original air cleaner, trumpet style. Let's see what kind of engine it is. 350 2-barrel carb. It is an automatic car, so I'm assuming it's a 350 transmission. So look at the engine.